Hello. Today I'd like to chat with you about what a demand letter actually is. Hi, my name is Sagar Rach. I'm the owner and founder of Rach Law, where we serve your business and personal needs. A lot of times when parties have a disagreement, one of the very first steps that can be taken is to send a demand letter. You might need to send a letter out, or you might have received a letter. It's very important to understand what a demand letter is and is not. In most cases, a demand letter is not a start of a lawsuit. Lawsuits are started by filing a complaint. Demand letters, on the other hand, are a way for one party to share with the other party what its grievances might be, what the issues are. Now, this could be regarding some sort of contract that the parties had. It could be a cease and desist type of a demand letter to stop the other party from doing what they're doing. Or it could be a letter for information, demanding information from the other party. The types and the forms of demand letters vary significantly, but there are a few things that are very, very common in most demand letters. Effective demand letters don't tend to be extremely short and just tell the other party, hey, you did this, you need to pay me. Effective demand letters need to go into multiple things. First, it's very important to go into what happened, what the facts are, what you believe the facts to be. Second, it's important to go into how the other party's actions have caused you damages, the reason why you're sending this demand letter out. Third, it's very important to go into the law itself. On what legal basis are you sending this letter? Can't tell you how many times I've seen letters drafted by law firms that don't even tell you what the basis of their claims are. Fourth, it's very important to make sure that a demand letter is time sensitive, that there is a certain period of time that's given to the other side, or if you receive a demand letter, to answer within that time. The reason to give that certain time frame is to make sure that the other side is responsive to the demand, that they're going to be working with you to resolve the issue prior to litigation. Should the party not respond to you, then litigation may be the option. Finally, a demand letter is very succinct and very direct as to what is requested. Vague or ambiguous requests in demand letters are rarely successful. It's very important for the demand letter to say exactly what the party who's sending the demand wants. That way, the other side, should they choose to go to a lawyer or to contact you or your lawyer regarding your demand letter, know exactly what you're trying to get. Once these factors are put together, a successful demand can be crafted. The goal for the demand letter is not to go and fight it out in court. While that may be an outcome, and many times it is, effective demand letters can serve as tools that parties can use to amicably resolve an issue and hash things out between themselves without going to court. It's very important to have a demand letter drafted that serves your needs perfectly. It's important to have an attorney who understands what happened, who understands the laws regarding what happened, and who's able to try to convince the other side to try to resolve this issue with a demand letter. Should you need help drafting a demand letter, or should you have received a demand letter and need it to be reviewed, please feel free to contact us, and my staff and I will be happy to help. You can reach us at 702-758-4240. You can reach us via email at info@rachattorneys.com, or you may reach us via the Contact Us form on our website. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping with you with your demand letter needs.